You started your business, found your first clients, and money is finally coming in. But now you have a new question. How do I actually set up my bookkeeping? Do you need accounting software? What expenses should you track? Do you need a separate bank account? And where do you even begin? In this video, I'll walk you through 7 simple steps to set up your bookkeeping from scratch, without making it more complicated than it needs to be. Step 1 is simple, but extremely important. Separate your business money from your personal money. If you are receiving client payments in your personal bank account and paying both business and personal expenses from the same account, your bookkeeping can quickly become confusing. You may have to sort through groceries, rent, personal shopping, and business expenses just to understand how your business is performing. A separate business bank account makes it easier to track business income and expenses, reconcile your transactions, and understand your actual financial position. It also helps create a cleaner financial record if you need information for taxes, financing, or business planning. If you are just getting started, this does not have to be complicated. The goal is simply to create a clear separation between your business activity and your personal spending. Step 2 is to choose a bookkeeping system that you will actually use consistently. Your system can be simple, but it should allow you to record your income, track your expenses, organize transactions, and review your financial results. The most important thing is not choosing the most complicated software. It's choosing a system that matches the size and needs of your business. Many freelancers only need the essentials: income, expenses, invoices, bank reconciliation, and basic financial reports. If that is what you need, FixBooks was designed to keep those tasks simple without requiring a monthly subscription. But the tool is only part of the system. The real value comes from keeping your information organized and reviewing it consistently. Step 3 is to organize your income and expenses into useful categories. In bookkeeping, these categories are often called a chart of accounts. Don't let the name intimidate you. A chart of accounts is simply a list of the categories you use to organize your business activity. For example, a freelancer might have income categories such as freelance services, consulting income, or project income. Their expense categories might include software and subscriptions, advertising, professional services, office expenses, education, and bank fees. You do not need dozens of categories when you are starting. Too many categories can make bookkeeping harder, not better. Start with the categories that reflect how your business actually earns and spends money. You can always add more detail later when there is a real reason to do so. Step 4 is to record every source of business income. This includes client payments, service revenue, consulting fees, project income, and any other money your business earns. If you send invoices, make sure you also track whether those invoices have been paid. This helps you understand not only how much income you earned, but also how much money is still owed to your business. For example, imagine you completed a project and sent your client an invoice for $2,000. You earned the income, but if the client has not paid yet, the money may not be available in your bank account. Tracking invoices separately helps you see what is outstanding and follow up when necessary. Step 5 is to record and categorize your business expenses consistently. This is where many freelancers fall behind. They plan to organize their expenses later, but later becomes the end of the month, the end of the year, or tax season. A better habit is to record or review expenses regularly. When you see a transaction, ask, was this a business expense? If yes, what was it for? Then assign it to the appropriate category. For example, a monthly design subscription may go under software and subscriptions. A business course may go under education. A payment to a contractor may go under contract labor or professional services. The goal is not to memorize accounting rules. The goal is to keep a clear and consistent record of how your business spends money. Step 6 is to reconcile your bank account. Reconciliation means comparing your bookkeeping records with your actual bank activity to make sure everything matches. This helps you identify missing transactions, duplicate entries, incorrect amounts, or transactions that were recorded in the wrong category. Think of reconciliation as a monthly accuracy check. Your bank statement shows what happened in your bank account. Your bookkeeping system shows what you recorded. Reconciliation helps make sure the two records agree. You do not have to wait until the end of the year. A monthly reconciliation routine keeps problems small and easier to fix. Step 7 is to review your financial reports. Bookkeeping is not only about entering transactions. The purpose is to understand what the numbers are telling you. Start with your profit and loss statement, also called a P&L. It summarizes your income, your expenses, and your profit or loss during a specific period. For example, if your business earned $8,000 and had $3,000 in expenses, your estimated profit would be $5,000. But remember, profit is not always the same as the amount of cash in your bank account. Your reports help you understand how the business is performing, while your bank balance tells you how much cash is currently available. Reviewing your reports every month helps you make better decisions instead of guessing. Let's review the 7 steps. First, separate your business and personal money. Second, choose a simple bookkeeping system. Third, create useful income and expense categories. Fourth, record your income. Fifth, track your business expenses. Sixth, reconcile your accounts every month. And seventh, review your financial reports. You do not need to become an accountant to maintain organized books. You just need a simple system and a consistent routine. If you want to set up and manage your bookkeeping yourself, you can try FixBooks for free. FixBooks helps you track income and expenses, create invoices, organize your transactions, and review your financial reports, all without a monthly subscription. But if you want help building your bookkeeping system correctly, FixBooks also offers professional bookkeeping support. Our FixBooks Kickstart service helps you set up your books, organize your accounts, configure FixBooks for your business, and learn how to maintain your records going forward. You can find both options using the links below. Subscribe for more practical bookkeeping tips designed for freelancers and small business owners. Until next time, stop guessing your business finances